Class 10C, question number 9. When the top of a chimney of a factory is seen from a point on the roof of three-story building of 9 to 3 meter height. When the top of a chimney of a factory, suppose that this one is a factory, okay, and the top of the chimney is seen from three-story building. So this is three-story building. From here, if someone is looking from three-story building this point to the top of the chimney, okay, so this one is your chimney and this one is your three-story building, okay. So it is written of the three-story building of 9 to 3 meter height. One more thing is given that this pool is 9 to 3 meters, okay. Then it is written after that the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now angle of elevation you will make here. Why? Because if someone is looking from three-story building to the top of the chimney, so of course he or she will stand. So of course what will happen if someone is standing here, he or she will look upward, means on the top of here, so it will make 30 degree here. Of course he will not make or she will not make 30 degree here, okay. So whenever in the question it is written that someone is standing on a building and chimney is here or factory is here and he or she is standing in this point and looking angle of elevation is this, you will make angle here only, okay. Where you will make angle here? Why? Because if someone is standing here, of course he or she will look upward, okay. So this one is your 30 degree, okay. This one is your 30 degree. Now which one will be your 30 degree? This one will be your 30 degree. There is one mistake in this question, class 10, please correct it. If the distance between the factory and chimney is 30 meters. But question will be if the distance between factory and three-story building is 30 meters. So please correct this one. It is given 30 meters. Let us start by calculating height of chimney. We have to find height of chimney. And height of chimney is this one. So first write A, B, C, D, E. Okay, up to here. Now class 10, you will write all the information given that let AB equals to height of three-story building and AB, see this AB is equals to how much CE, because if AB is 9 to 3 it means C is also 9 to 3, so you can write equals to C equals to 9 root 3 meter, okay. So AB is equals to CE because both are same, so AB, if AB is 9 to 3, C is also or E is also 9 to 3. Now BC is distance between factory and building, okay. So there is one mistake in your question, please correct that one. It is given distance between chimney and factory. Chimney is where? Chimney is on factory only. So how they can say that there is a distance between chimney and factory? So question will be distance between factory and building, which is 3 meter, 30 meter. Completed. Now DC or CD you can write height of factory, okay, height of factory, which is made up of two parts, CED plus CE, CE plus ED. Angle EAB is equals to 30 degree. Angle of elevation from building to the top of the factory or chemical top of the chimney is 30. Okay, so this information you have to write. Now they are telling you to find CD. CE you know, because CE and AB both are equal. You have to find only this part. Okay, ED part. Now one more thing I want to tell you, class 10, if BC is 30 meter, AE is also 30 meter. Why? Because see this distance and this distance, both distance are same. So in place of BC, where you have written BC 30 meter, you can write also AE. Okay, so write AE. Distance between factory and building equals to 30 meter equals to AE. Okay, so this one is also 30 meter. From here to here it is 9√3 meters. So what you will write in triangle ABE, you will take triangle ABE. Now see class 10, this AE is given 30 meter, you have to find P. So P and B relation you will get in tan. So what you will write, tan theta equals to P by B. Okay, so tan theta means tan 30 degree, P is EB or DE you can write, and base is AE. After this one, please come here, tan 30 degree value is 1 by √3. ED you know, you don't know, and A you know, it is 30. So it will come 30 by √3. Cross multiplication, 1 into 30, 30 by √3 equals to ED. Okay, but I told you class 10 that whenever you have something in denominator √1, you have to remove that one. I am running this through line. Okay, so what you will do, you will write ED equals to 30 by √3 into √3 by √3. You will get 30 √3 by 3. So 3 1 are 3 cancel. You will get 10√3 meter. So ED you are getting this part, you are getting how much? 10√3. Therefore what you will write, height of chimney or factory, both are same, equals to height is CD, which is made up of CE plus ED. And CE you know, CE is how much? 9√3. ED is how much? You are getting 10√3. So write 10√3. You will get how much? 19√3. If you want to put √3 value, you can put it and you can find the answer. But in the question they are not saying you to put anything. I am not putting. So you can write height of the chimney or factory is 19√3. Okay, complete this one. Class 10, see question number 11. From a point on the roof of 3-story buildings, the angle of elevation of the top of a monument and that of angle of depression of the top of the foot of the monument are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. First of all, class 10, you have to understand that there is one building and there is one monument. So I am taking this one as a building and suppose that here we have one monument. Okay, so this one A, B is a building, C, D is a monument. Okay, from a point on a roof of 5-story building, the angle of elevation of the top of a monument and that of an angle of depression of the foot of the monument are 60 degree and 30 degree. Read the question again and again if you are not understanding. There are two angles given. One is angle of elevation and another one is angle of depression. But which one is angle of elevation and which one is angle of depression? Read the question. From a point on the roof of 5-story building, the angle of elevation of the top of a monument means this one is the top of the monument. If someone is looking from this point, this one is angle of elevation. This one is making 60 degree. And from this point only, angle of depression will be like this. this one is 30 degree. Okay, again I am repeating, from the building, from this point, from any point it is written, from a point it is written. So from this point, if someone is looking at like this, angle of elevation is 60 degree and angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, I told you class 10 in the last sums, maybe I don't know. If this one is 30, this one is 30 also. Why? Because it is making alternate angle Z. So if this one is 30, this one is also 30. Okay, we have to find, and after that it is written if the height of the building is 16 meter, height of the building. So AB is building, this one is given 16 meter. Okay, if the height of the building is 16 meters, let us try by calculating the height of the monument and the distance of the building from the monument. You have to find two things: height of the monument, it means CD you have to find, and the distance between building and monument. Okay, so first of all you have to write all the things which whatever it is given to you. So first start writing, let AB equals to height of the building, which is equal to how much? AB is 16 meter. You will write 16 meter equals to, now class 10 you can see from the picture AB, and if you are giving name E, AB and EC both are same because height, AB height and EC height both are same. So you can write EC here. Okay. Now the next thing is CD. What is CD class 10? CD is height of monument. So you will write height of the monument. And see class 10, one more thing, height of the monument is made up of two parts, DE and EC. So you will write DE plus EC. Understood up to here? Now what you will write? BC. BC is distance between building and monument. Okay. Now angle ACB. Angle ACB. Angle of depression of a point to the foot of the monument. Why I am writing angle of depression? Because mainly it is making angle in this one, not in this one. Since it is making alternate angle, and in the question already it is written, if someone is looking from this point, angle of elevation is this and angle of depression is this. So that is why I am writing angle of depression. Okay. Now one more, angle DAE. Angle DAE. What is angle DAE? 60 degree. Okay, write one thing, 30 degree. Angle DAE, angle of elevation of a point to the top. Here add off, okay, to top. The top of the monument. Okay. So this much is this one is 60. So this things you have to write first to get full marks. Now what you will do, class 10, you have to find two things, BC and DC or CD. So you can easily find BC. How you will find? You will write in triangle. Which triangle you will take? ABC. ABC. क्या सकते हैं? See the picture and tell me if perpendicular is AB 16 meter, what will be BC? BC is base, so perpendicular and base relation in you will get in tan. So what you will write? Tan theta equals to P by B. Now in place of I am writing here tan theta equals to P by B. Now in place of theta, which angle you will write? You will write 30 degree because I am taking triangle ABC, and in triangle ABC this one is 30 degree. So I will write tan 30 degree equals to P value P is AB. So first write AB and base is BC. Okay class? Now then tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. AB value is 16 by BC. Understood up to here? Now after this what you will do? You will do cross multiplication. BC into 1, BC 16 into root 3, you will get 16 root 3, okay, meter. So distance you are getting, BC you are getting how much? 16 meter. So first part 16 root 3 meter. So first part then you are getting this one 16 root 3. If BC is 16 root 3, A is also 16 root 3. Why? Because both are same. Well, do one thing right here. BC and A both are equal. Why? Because both are the distance. BC is also a distance between monument and building. A is also a distance between monument and building. So you will write A equals to BC equals to distance between building and monument. Okay. Add this one. Now after that you have to find CD. So how you will find CD? I am rubbing this portion class, otherwise I will not be able to do the sums. Now what you will write? This one you know from E to C it is also 16 meter because A to B it is 16 meter, E to C is also 16 meter. You have to find only DE. So what you will write? In triangle ADE tan 60 degree. Now I am writing directly. Tan 60 degree equals to tan is P by B, perpendicular DE by AE. Okay, this one is perpendicular, this one is base. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. DE you don't know. AE you know, which is 16 root 3. So now do cross multiplication. So root 3 into 16 root 3 equals to DE. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 16 DE. Now multiply this one. 16 48. So DE you are getting, this portion you are getting 48 meter and this is 16 meter. Therefore in answer what you will write? Height of the monument. Height of the monument equals to height of the monument is DC. After DC please come here. DC is made up of two things, DE plus EC. So you will write DE plus EC. So DE is how much? 48. EC is how much? 16. So add this to 8 and 6, 14, 14, 1, 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 64 meter. So in answer what you will write? They are asking two things, the height of the monument and the distance of the building from the monument. So you will write height of the building is, height of the building is how much you are getting? 64 meter and distance from from the mold. How much you got? BC 16 √3 meter. So this one is your answer. Okay, complete this one, class 10. Class 10, your homework is 24. B and C, it means fill in the blanks and true false. And if you have any queries related to your homework, please ask me in the given email ID niloofar.sma@outlook.com, and by tomorrow submit your homework. Thank you.